Hey guys, how's it going? Super excited to be back here with you. I am so excited about this car. Can't even tell you how excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? I think you can. I just love this M4 Competition. This emblem is so cool. It's unique. I love the coloring of it. Hey, look at this blue on here. It even matches my my shoes today. I mean, who wears bright blue Crocs? I mean, I feel like the guy brought this car in here and said, this car should be Nathan's car. He is wearing blue Crocs today. It matches the emblem. It's so incredible. I remember when this Grille came out the first time, I was like, oh man, I don't know about that. And then very short period of time after that, I was like falling in love with it. It's just so sexy. I just love it. It just gives you that aggressive look to it. I'll tell you what, I'm speechless. That same emblem they have all over the place. We have it on the wheels right here. So cool. But yet they didn't put it on the steering wheel. Don't get me wrong, this interior is insane. I am such a huge fan of these white gray leather seats with the inlays of the suede here. And then Ethan, one of my favorite parts is how the emblem lights up in the headrest. Check this out, it's so cool. Why would you not want to protect an amazing performance machine like this? He wanted the best. We brought it to Nathan's Detailing. We're so thankful that he brought this to us, giving us the opportunity to protect it for him. Thanks so much, guys. Really appreciate your time watching us. Hit us up. Check us out on nathansdetailing.com. Like, subscribe to our YouTube videos. We really appreciate you very much.